a Minz moment. I'm excited for Minz, man. I'm gassed for Minz. If you guys don't know, I interviewed him, was it in 2020? On my Sock and Gary series. Go check it out if you haven't seen that. But yeah, Minz is having a moment and I couldn't be happier, bro. I couldn't be happier for Minz. This is a fantastic run he's having. WOWO was a fantastic bop when we first heard it on the stream. And it's garnered its own organic buzz that artists like Benson want to hop on it, that Blaqbonez wants to hop on it, and they have a remix, an official remix. I saw a tweet from Wani. Wani says if he doesn't get on the remix that they're gonna be beefing or something. Wani, I see Wani acing this record too, man. But anyway, I'm excited to hear the verses. They drop snippets. Blaqbonez drop snippet. Benson drop snippet. I try my best to avoid them because it's kind of giving away my reaction to the songs. But Benson's been dropping some cold ass verses recently. Did you guys see him drop a verse for People? Oh, and he shot a video for it. Oh, Benson is hard, bro. Anyway, let's get into the WOWO remix. I'm excited for Minz right here to catch one. Hopefully it picks up steam. Hopefully it gets enough buzz. Let's go, man. WOWO is already a bop in my books. It's just a matter of how they're gonna arrange Blaqbonez and Benson on it. Let's see what they're contributing to the song, man. Let's go. Come on. I can see WOWO. Too many things I did think. Do you know what crazy thing I love about this song? Is his voice cracks. I love the voice cracks. Very natural, very organic, and it's kind of like a key indicator for this hook. I just love it when Minz opens with that voice crack, man. It's so dope. It's so, even though some things will be like, some producers will be like, nah, let's do another take. Your voice is cracking there. But I fucking love it, bro. It's like, it's just, I don't know. It's just great. It's just great.
So many things I did think, I never talk anything, Then they do shakity, get the money, live soft life. So they want to link for vibes.
Hey.
On my neck is
You know where that's from? You know that the classic guitar run there is super strong. I can never forget that run. Most people have picked it up, but it's so evident on this song too, man.
After the club last night,
let's go. Hey, just vibes, bro. Minz is just vibes.
We are no feel recognize. Dating on my ambition. I'm a sweet sensation. Girls won't come with you.
Oh God.
This life is sweet, but if you
WOWO.
Another chorus, just another bonus. Mr. Nakademo said he wouldn't pay us.
Let's go.
After all the work we are putting for Lagos, I was
coming for that Ruga jam. I'm here for it.
I'm the one that's disturbing artists on labels.
I'm the one that is disturbing artists on labels. See, this Ruga and Benson thing, man. I love it for them. I love it for them, bro. I love it for them. That this rivalry that they are picking up. Yeah, some people might look like it's all for the buzz, but I still think it's fun. I still think it's friendly. I still think it's evident in cultivating stands. It's evident in cultivating stands. Once you have a team, once you create a team or have a rivalry, it boosts for stands. Like crazy people that are obsessed, that would get behind your talent no matter what. And it's funny for me because I love both Benson and Ruga. So I'm just like, bring it on. Like, carry on. Like, do your thing. It doesn't matter. It doesn't affect how I'm going to feel about either of them. But either way, like, it's just nice to see that the rivalry is picking up steam to the point where he's being very blatant on the record. It's beyond Twitter fingers now and IG stories and Snapchat stories that are bringing it to the songs. It's a nice friendly hit. It's cute. I like it. I like the jabs here, man. I said I'm the one disturbing artists on labels. Sheesh.
No compare naked to a damn new guy. I look parica.
Hey! Hey!
Go back from West Street to Bagada. And you didn't see me now.
It said don't compare an AK to a damn Ruga. Hey. 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 The man dropped his entire name. Did he say Ruga or Luga? Because I heard Luga. Yeah, he said Luga.
You should not compare naked to a damn Luga.
Is a Luga a gun? I know Ruga is a gun, but I don't know if Luga is a gun with an L. Luga is a pistol. It's a very tiny pium pium. You guys see a picture? I just typed it on Google right now. If you see, it's very small. It's like a pium pium. It's a very pium pium. I'm sure, but that's not what Ruga is. Ruga is a bigger one. So he's bringing him down, Seth, by using the word Luga. I think the actual term is Luga gun, but I know Ruga is like a sniper, no? Yeah, it's a rifle. Got you. Americans. If you're American in there. Wait, a Ruga is a rifle, yeah. Ruga is a rifle. Ruga American rifle. Yep. It is a rifle. So Buju has taken upon himself to lower to lower I guess what he's working with from a Ruga to a Luga. And the Luga is doing piang instead of what a rifle would have done. But I see what Benson is doing there. Very rude. Very rude, man. But hey, then again, they're doing their thing.
63S AMG.
Hey!
AMG make the ladies go OMG.
Hey! This says flexing. It says AMG and make the lady goes. Ah, no, this nigga is rude. That's a hard line, though. That's a hard line.
So fully no fee empty. But thinking about it all, tell you too plenty. Wow.
What a verse. What a verse. Hey, Black.
Reset.
Okay.
Don't get it twisted.
Okay.
Steve flexing. Thank God that we still flexing.
Okay.
6-bed mansion for this lucky. And I know keep us.
6-bed mansion in this lucky. Okay, flex on them.
I came in a Benzo and a Mustango. Blowing up the endo. Shit is hot. Said she wanna tango. Never gonna let go. I know I wanna look up. I'ma get bold.
Come on.
I know they take them too serious.
Hey.
She said she love my new lifestyle. Thank God that she don't know me before. Oh God, this life is sweet, but if you wow. I pray to God. Blessings for
Oh my goodness, bro. What a record. A remix that is definitely gonna do madness. I'm excited for Minz. This is a fantastic record. Black came together and Benson as well. Like they came correct for the song. They did it justice. Blaqbonez on that rich flex of a hook. Of a verse, and then Benson with the Ruga, Benson with the Ruga jabs and everything. Exciting record, man. This was good. This was a good moment for Minz. I really like it. Again, the song is going to do a huge good for Minz, because I feel like, bro, Minz definitely deserves a lot more than the industry is giving him. This talent is evident. Bro, he has had a streak of songs. Listen to this song.
yeah.
No. What? See, yeah? Minz goes way back. He's not new to this thing, man. He's not new to this. He's been ready. He's been prepared for this. Okay? So shout out to Minz. I'm wishing nothing but the best for this run that he's having. Hopefully he milks it to the best form that he can. Man, that was great. That was a great remix. That was a great record. Yeah. Be on the radar for Minz, man. Be on the lookout for Minz.